My name is Marc Studer, and I'm the Senior Director of ADC mRNA manufacturing team at Samsung Biologics. April 2025, we have released our ADC facility, which is co-located within our existing biocampus. Samsung Biologics' strategy is to capture the full value chain from a mAb to an advanced molecule, starting from cell line development throughout mAb manufacturing, ADC drug substance manufacturing, as well as ADC drug product manufacturing. The most important one is to ensure operator and environmental safety. As the cytotoxic payloads are potent at a very low dosage, one needs to ensure that the operators are successfully protected against those components. So this requires specialized closed systems in addition to personal protective equipment. Within Samsung Biologics, we use a very structured risk-based cleaning approach where we, as part of tech transfer activities at an early stage, review the payload from both occupational safety perspective, but also from a carryover to the next batch perspective. We build up the strategy by identifying the need of the cleanings strategy, either deactivation or flush out. And we develop in-house or high-sensitive analytics for payload and liquor payload.